Attention, WhatsApp users! A new powerful feature called Advanced Chat Privacy is coming to protect your conversations. You can enable this feature for any individual or group chat. This feature gives you more control over your conversations. Soon, you can stop people from saving your chats and media to their gallery. This means you can stop others from automatically saving your photos, videos, or voice messages in both regular and group chats. You will also be able to block others from exporting the full chat history, including all messages and shared media files. Once this feature is enabled, a message will automatically appear in the chat, notifying everyone that Advanced Chat Privacy has been turned on. Here is how to enable it. Open any individual or group chat where you want to activate the feature. Tap on the contact or group name at the top of the screen to open their profile or info page. Scroll down and you will see a new Advanced Chat Privacy option. Tap on it, then switch the toggle to turn it on for that specific chat. Once enabled, the feature will be applied only to that particular chat or group. The best part? You don't need to be an admin in a group to turn this on. Anyone can enable it, and once it's active, the setting will apply to everyone in that chat. Also, you can't use Meta AI in chats where this feature is on.